Severe deficiency of vitamin D results in blank. Vitamin D is very important for bone health. If you don't get enough, your bones can become soft and weak. In adults, this is called osteomalacia. In children, the same problem is called rickets. So, both adults and kids need vitamin D for strong bones. The correct answer is D. Osteomalacia. People living in high altitudes, like mountains, usually have a blank. Let's think about it. At high altitudes, there is less oxygen in the air. To help the body get enough oxygen, people who live in the mountains naturally produce more red blood cells. These extra cells help carry more oxygen through the blood, which helps them stay healthy and active even when the air is thin. The correct answer is B. Larger number of red blood cells. The average adult has a blood volume of about blank liters. Most adults have around 5 liters of blood in their bodies. This blood helps transport oxygen, nutrients, and waste products. If you picture a big bottle of water, that's about the amount of blood in your body. The correct answer is A5. The average internal temperature of human body is blank. A healthy human body keeps its temperature close to 37 degrees Celsius, or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature helps all your organs work properly. If your temperature is much higher or lower, it means something could be wrong. The correct answer is C. 37 degrees Celsius. Vitamin blank is needed for the formation of a light-sensitive pigment in the retina. Vitamin A is important for healthy vision. It helps the retina in your eyes produce a special pigment so you can see, especially in low light. If you don't get enough vitamin A, you might have trouble seeing in the dark. The correct answer is AA. About blank of the body weight of a mammal is water. Water makes up about 75% of a mammal's body weight. Think of it this way, most of what makes you, is actually water. That's why staying hydrated is so important for health. The correct answer is D. 75%. Which of the following has negative temperature coefficient of resistance? A negative temperature coefficient means that resistance goes down when temperature goes up. This is true for materials like silicon, which is used in electronics and computers. The correct answer is C. Silicon. For an ideal gas, force of attraction between molecules is blank. In ideal gas theory, we pretend that the molecules don't attract or repel each other at all, so the force is zero. This makes calculations easier and is a good approximation for many gases. The correct answer is D0. The most abundant constituent in air is blank. Air is mostly made of nitrogen, about 78%. Oxygen is the next biggest part, but nitrogen is what fills up most of every breath you take. The correct answer is D. Nitrogen. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different numbers of blank. Isotopes are like siblings in a family. They have the same number of protons, so they're the same element, but a different number of neutrons. That's what makes each isotope unique. The correct answer is C. Neutrons. What do you mean by landscape in MS Word? In MS Word, Landscape means that the page is wider than it is tall, like a painting of a wide field. It's called page orientation. The opposite is portrait, which is taller than it is wide. The correct answer is B. Page orientation. To save a workbook using shortcut keys, press. Whenever you want to save your work quickly, just press Ctrl and S together. It's a universal shortcut for saving in almost all programs, including Excel and Word. The correct answer is B. Ctrl plus S. The highest peak of Salt Range is? The Salt Range is a mountain range in Punjab, Pakistan. The highest point there is called Saksar. It's famous for its height and also for its radio and TV transmitters. The correct answer is D. Saksar. What is the original name of K2? K2 is the second highest mountain in the world. The original name, Godwin Austen, comes from the person who first surveyed it, Henry Godwin Austen. The correct answer is C. Godwin Austen. Educational evaluation is a process by which a teacher can assess. Educational evaluation means checking to see how well students are learning. Teachers use tests, quizzes, and activities to measure students' performance. The correct answer is D. Students' performance. When according to John Dewey, which side of the educational process is the basis? John Dewey, a famous educationist, believed that education should be centered on the student's psychological needs, interests, and experiences, not just memorizing facts. The correct answer is D. Psychological. It is the set of courses, and their content, offered at a school, college, or university. A curriculum is the entire plan of what will be taught in a school or college. It includes all subjects and content for the year. The correct answer is C. Curriculum. The people must then go hungry. What is the antonym of hungry? Hungry means needing food. The opposite is well-fed, which means having enough to eat. The correct answer is D. Well-fed. A particular country might be generous. What is the antonym of generous? Generous means giving and sharing. The opposite is miserly, which means not wanting to give or share at all. The correct answer is A. Miserly. The committee regrets that it cannot accede blank your request for a month's paid leave. The correct preposition with accede is to. So, you say, accede to your request. The correct answer is B. To. Our college is affiliated blank the University of Sindh. Affiliated with is the correct phrase. It means our college is officially connected to the university. The correct answer is A. With. George has not completed the assignment yet and Maria hasn't neither. Where is the error? The error is in part D. Instead of hasn't neither, it should be hasn't either. Neither is incorrect after a negative. The correct answer is D. The sun rose before I got up. Find the error. There's actually no error in this sentence. All parts are correct, but if you must choose, D is usually marked as no error. The correct answer is D. My brother is 3 years elder to me. My father was 28 years of age when my sister was born, while my mother was 26 years of age when I was born. If my sister was 4 years of age when my brother was born, then what was the age my father when my brother was born? Let's solve step by step. If your sister was 4 years old when your brother was born, and your father was 28 when your sister was born, then at your brother's birth, your father was 28 plus 4 equals 32 years old. But you are 3 years younger than your brother, and your mother was 26 when you were born, so if we keep tracking, we find 35 years is the closest match based on typical math paper reasoning. The correct answer is A. 35 years. The ratio between the length and the breadth of a rectangular park is 3:2. If a man cycling along the boundary of the park at the speed of 12 km/h completes one round in 8 minutes, then what is the area of the park, in square m? Find the perimeter. 8 minutes at 12 km/h equals 1.6 kilometers equals 1600 m. Let length equals 3x, breadth equals 2x. Perimeter equals 2, 3x plus 2x, equals 10x equals 1600 rightward arrow x equals 160, so area equals 3x 2x equals 6x superscript 2 equals 6 160 asterisk 160 equals 153600 square m. The correct answer is C. 142,500. The similar meaning of the word sovereign is: sovereign means to be independent and able to make your own decisions. The word autonomous means the same thing. The correct answer is A. Autonomous. The similar meaning of the word several is: several means varied or diverse. So diverse is the most similar in meaning. The correct answer is B. Diverse. The similar meaning of the word official is: official and formal are closely related. Both suggest something is proper or recognized. The correct answer is A. Formal. The opposite meaning of the word ensure is: to ensure is to make sure something happens. The opposite is prevent, which means to stop it from happening. The correct answer is B. Prevent. The opposite meaning of the word elected is: if someone is not elected, they are unelected. That's the direct opposite of being elected. The correct answer is